Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Squarespace account step by step. I'll be doing this on the web, and there's some prep work we need to do first before we can delete the account. Before you can delete your account, you need to cancel all active subscriptions. So first, let's export your website, content. This is optional, but recommended. Go to your site settings and find the Import and Export panel. Click Export, then WordPress. Once the export finishes, a download option becomes available. Save that XML file to your computer. Keep in mind the export file won't have everything, so you might want to separately copy or download any important text and images. Next, if you want to save your payment records, head to the billing section and download copies of your invoices. You'll see copies of every payment you've made to Squarespace useful to have before the account's gone. Now for the required steps. Go to Settings, then Billing, then Subscriptions. Click the Cancel Subscription button. A drop-down menu will ask why you're canceling, fill in the form, or just select Next to continue. Make sure to cancel all additional subscriptions, including Google Workspace, email, campaigns, anything else you've got running. If you have any Squarespace domains, go to the Domains panel. You'll need to either disable, auto-renew, or transfer the domain out. If you're transferring, you'll see a domain lock toggle. Turn that off. Sites with Squarespace domains can't be deleted until you've sorted the domain. All right, now we can delete the account. Go to your account dashboard and open the security settings. You'll find this in the top right-hand corner under Account Settings. The Security Settings panel will open, showing your account options. On the right-hand side of the box, you'll see a Delete Account link. Click that. A login prompt will appear to verify your identity. Re-enter your password to prove it's you. After you log in, check the area below your account information. Any active subscriptions will be listed here. You must cancel them all before you can proceed. Most of them you can cancel directly from this menu, or Squarespace will tell you how to cancel them. If you've already canceled everything but some subscriptions are still showing, look for a refresh button above the subscription list. Click that, and the canceled items should disappear. Once everything's clear, the Delete Account link below your email address will become active. Click it. A final confirmation prompt appears. Confirm one more time, and you're done. Your account, all content, and personal data get removed from their systems. You won't be able to recover the account or any of your sites after this. One thing to watch out for if you've used Squarespace payments and it's been less than 180 days since your last transaction, you'll get an error message about chargeback risk. You'll need to wait that out before you can delete. Also, if your account is connected to Unfold or BioSites, deleting will wipe that data too. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.